Are you also encountering the same error on your Windows PC? If you are, then follow these troubleshooting steps in this video. First, temporarily rescue the PC. Do it by pressing the Ctrl, Alt, and the Delete keys all together. Click on this power button, and then select Restart to reboot the PC. Next, try resetting default apps. To do it, search for Default Apps, find Reset All Default Apps option, and hit the Reset option. Then try to open the document, file, image, game, or any other component with the error. Additionally, disable all startup applications by opening the Task Manager, go to the Startup tab, and then disable all the startup apps. For the next fix, try to disable Internet Explorer. Just search for Control Panel, select Programs and Features, click Turn Windows Features on or off, then find the Internet Explorer 11 on the list, disable it, and click OK to save the changes. And lastly, restart your Windows Explorer by opening Task Manager, click on the Windows Explorer, then select Restart. And those are the different fixes in this error code in your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.